Okay, here's a brand new Rheem Central Air Conditioning unit running. This unit is a 4-ton and it's actually from 2023, which is interesting. This unit has a couple and scroll compressor, I think. But yeah, this unit replaced a Comfortmaker Performance unit that I filmed before. And then here's this other Comfortmaker which is running right now. But yeah, this unit is located at a Holiday Inn hotel that I've filmed at before. But yeah, just like a quick video of this brand new unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.